Hello students, I Sunita Pawar, lecturer of ENC department, HAPN Trust Polytechnic, Nirsoshi. So today we will see the fifth unit of medical electronics, that is a imaging system. So first we will see the properties of X-rays. X-ray are electromagnetic radiation same as a natural light, but they are of a smaller wavelength than the visible light. Second, they cannot be reflected or refracted by ordinary methods. Third, because of short wavelength and extremely high energy, X-rays are able to penetrate through materials. Fourth, they are not deflected by magnetic or electric field. Fifth, X-rays are absorbed when passing through matter, and absorption is it depends on the density of the matter. When X-rays are incident on the matter, then secondary emission is occurred. So these are the properties of X-rays. So on this you are getting the question for the 5 marks. Now we will see the sketch and explain the block diagram of a X-ray imaging system. So in this there is a number of the blocks or parts of the imaging system, that is a X-ray imaging system. That is a exposure switch is a timer, KV selection, video voltage compensator, high tension supply, rectifiers and X-ray tube is there. The main parts of a X-ray machine are a high voltage circuit and a control of a heating X-ray tube filament. The filament heating current is obtained by stepping down from the mains supply for medical applications. Particularly in diagnosis procedure, only short bursts of X-rays are used for photographic images, and long duration radiation is used in screening and therapy. Therefore, timer and exposure switches are provided so that the duration of the X-ray beam can be controlled. High voltage, which is applied to the tubes, are anode and cathode and consist of a high voltage setup transformer followed by rectification. The current through the tube follows RHT pathway and is measured by a milliampere meter. KV selector switch facilitates a change in voltage between exposure. The voltage is measured with the help of a KV meter. The exposure feature controls the timer and thus the duration of the application of KV. To compensate the main supply voltage variation, a voltage compensator is included in the circuit. Now we will see the advantages, disadvantages and applications of X-ray imaging or radiography. First we will see the advantages. First, free from disturbing and blurring effects. Radiography is a shadow picture. Chest radiography are mainly taken for examination of the lungs and the heart. It is very useful in heart angiography and cerebral angiography. Fifth, using radiography diagnose ulcer and tumors. Central nervous system is examined by filmography. Scanning is obtained from different angles. Disadvantages of X-rays. The superimposition of the three-dimensional information into a single plane makes diagnosis confusing and often difficult. It has a limited dynamic range. Third, it shows a very small contrast difference on the film. It have very serious problem when studies of the brain due to its overall shielding of the soft tissue by the dense bone of the skull. Uses of X-rays. Used in various diagnostic applications like to examine bones to examine internal organs and structure of tissues. It also used to examine the functioning of a circulatory system. Third, blood flow in various organs. It used in radiation therapy like tumor. It used in treatment of soft tissue in skin. Sixth, it is used in treatment of cancerous and tumor tissues. Now we will see the CT scan machine. So this one is the setup for the CT scan machine. The X-ray source and detector are mounted opposite to each other in a rigid joint with the patient lying in between, and by moving one or both of these around and across relevant sections, which is how the measurements are made. The patient lies on motorized motorizer coach and is moved into the aperture of the gantry, with the location to be accurately determined by the means of a narrow strip of light that falls on the body from gantry and illuminates the section to be examined. From the keyboard mounted on the operating console, details such as the patient code, patient name, name of the hospital, etc., are fed into the system, and settings for the X ray parameters for the scan are made. In one system which employs 18 transfers in 20 scanning cycles, there are obtained by integrating the output of 30 detectors with approximately 600 position pulses. The position derived from the glass graticules that lies between light emitting diode and photodiode assembly that moves with the detectors. The detectors are usually sodium iodide crystal, which are lithium doped to prevent after glow. Set of recording produced enables the computer compensate for fluctuation of X-ray intensity. Now we will see the advantages, disadvantages and applications of a CT scan. Advantages. It helps the physician to distinguish better different types of brain tissues. It helps the physician to easily visualize the repositories of cerebrospinal fluid. Some movement of the organs, respiratory rate, and border range of tissues densities can be seen using this technology. It helps the surgeons in both pre and post surgery of critical operations. CAT made possible the visualization of internal organs and the body structure. It will help to differentiate between healthy and diseased tissues during treatment. Disadvantages. First, the cost of CT scan is very high. In the clinical applications like abdomen, chest, and central nervous system, MRI is superior to CT scan. Uses. In neuroradiology, second, brain scanning. In neck scanning, study of soft tissues and tumors. Fifth, radiotherapy planning. Now we will see the block diagram of MRI equipment. So this one is the setup for the MRI equipment. So here they are using the RF power amplifiers, signal averages, X gradient, Y gradient, and Z gradient. Then disk storage is there, computers are there, transmitter coil is there, receiver coil is there, and computers is there. The main component are a magnet which provides a strong uniform steady magnetic field B0, an RF transmitter which delivers radio frequency magnetic field to the sample, the gradient system which produces time varying magnetic field of a controlled spatial non-uniformity, detection system which yields the output signal, and imager system includes the computer which reconstruct and display the image. So these are the main components of the MRI system. Computer provides a imaging sequence in the system. Functions such as gates and develop for the NMR pulses, blanking for the preamplifier and RF power amplifier, and voltage waveforms for the gradient magnetic fields are all under software control. The computer also performs the various data processing tasks, including the Fourier transformation, image reconstruction, data filtering, image display, and storage. Therefore, the computer must have sufficient memory and speed to handle large image array and data processing, in addition to interfacing facilities. So this one is the MRI equipment. Now we will see the advantages, disadvantages, and uses of a MRI or a NMR. First, advantages. It provides a contrast between soft tissues which are mainly identical. Second, cross-sectional images with any orientation is possible. NMR imaging parameters are affected by chemical bonding and therefore offer potential for physiological imaging. NMR uses no ionization radiation and has a minimal, if any, hazardous for apparatus, hazardous for operators of the machine and for the patients. NMR imaging requires no moving parts or crystal detectors. NMR permits imaging of the three-dimensional volume. NMR images can clearly discriminate between healthy and disease. Now we will see the disadvantages of MRI. First, NMR signal have a very low sensitivity. Second, signal to noise ratio per unit time scans cannot be improved. It takes longer time to construct the image. It requires huge data storage devices to store the data. Now we will see the uses of MRI. First, it gives a clear contrast for different types of tissues. So, disease related to the soft tissues, NMR is used. It is used in myocardium and heart disease. MRI is used in identification of a region of excessive fat deposition in different various organs and blood vessels. Proton NMR used in measurement of blood flow. It used in diagnosis of metabolic disorders, heart attack, and effect of drugs. Sodium NMR used in study of heart problems. MRI used in measurement of blood parameters like direction, velocity, and vascular geometry. Eighth, MRI is used for evaluation of intracellular pH. So, on this topic, you are getting the combined question, that is mention advantages, disadvantages, and uses of MRI. So, you have to write the all this. Now, we will see the operation of basic pulse echo apparatus. This one is the block diagram for the echo apparatus. Pulse echo technique is used ultrasound for diagnostic purpose in medical fields. The transmitter generates a train of short duration pulses at a repetition frequency determined by the FRF generator. These are converted into corresponding pulses of ultrasonic waves by piezoelectric crystal acting as the transmitting transducer. The echoes from the target or discontinuity are picked up by the same transducer and amplified suitable for display on the cathode ray tube. The X plates of the CRT are driven by the time base, which starts at the instant when the transmitter radiates a pulses. In this way, the position of the echo along the trace is proportional to the time taken for the pulse to travels from the transmitter to the discontinuity and back again. Knowing the velocity of ultrasonic waves and the speed of the horizontal movement of trace on the CRT, the distance of the target from the transmitter and can be estimated. Now we will see the working of echocardiography. So this one is the block diagram for the echocardiography. Echocardiography is widely used in the medical field. By using this instrument, it is possible to detect intracardiac structures. The movement of these structures can also be recorded with a better resolution than the angiography diagnostic technique. The instrument present time versus motion information about heart structures on slow speed are normally used in electrocardiogram recording. Thermal video printers are used for recording an echocardiography. Several circuit blocks are common to the general echo measuring instrument, except for the additional of a slow sweep circuit and recording arrangement. Since the advent of two-dimensional echocardiography, ultrasonic examination of the heart have been primarily recorded and stored on a videotape. Uses of echocardiography. It is used for study of aortic valve and pulmonary valve. It is used in the detection of pericardial effusion, which is the abnormal connection of fluid between the heart and the pericardial sac. List the properties of ultrasound. First one property, ultrasonic waves can be easily focused. Second, it suitable for applications where it is not advantageous to use audible frequency. Third, using high frequency possible to investigate the properties of a small structure. There are no electromagnetic waves and need a medium for propagation. It obeys the laws of reflection and refraction. Now we will see the advantages, disadvantages and of ultrasound. First, we will see the advantages. It is non-invasive and have ability to distinguish interfaces between soft tissues. Second, it is extremely externally applied and non-traumatic. It gives an entire image of internal organs. This includes the kidney, liver, pancreas, bladder, major blood vessels, and during pregnancy. Fifth, it helpful in diagnosis of tumor and cancer. In dynamic of blood flow, these ultrasounds are used. Advantages and uses. Advantage, disadvantages and uses. First disadvantages. First disadvantage, completely reflect data at boundaries with gas. It is a serious restriction in investigation of and through gas containing structure. Now we will see the uses of ultrasonic. It is used in neurosurgery. It used in fetal therapy. Pulsed Doppler ultrasound is used in measurement of velocity and the diagnostic of a moving target within the body. It used in measurement of fetal heartbeats. Continuous Doppler ultrasound is used in blood flow measurement. So these are the disadvantages and uses of ultrasound.